It is official, John has joined Scooter Life. We found this construction site and basically this fatty fence is fallen down. So we're going to go into it. Loads of it hasn't finished, some of it is finished, and we're just going to fuck around in it. So yeah, this should be really fun. Right, so this is like just what loads of it looks like. It's pretty sick really. You can see over there's like diggers and shit. This is sick. I'm doing this little thing with John. May have seen in some of my other videos. I'll put his link in the description. So we're on the first bit. We've climbed up quite a lot of scaffolding back here. So this is really cool. I've got really low batteries, so this video is probably going to be quite short, but I'm going to try and capture some of the cool bits. Alright, so we've just found one of these houses, and this one is fully open, man. This is really cool, man.